How to convert any file to PDF for free. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. This is a great tutorial. Many times we require that any file we need into PDF so that we can share and we can upload on social media or anywhere else. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the internet browser into your laptop, mobile, computer, wherever you are using. Go to the ilovepdf.com, and if you want convert jpg or pdf file, photo file into pdf, click over here, select the photo file. I am selecting this image over here, and after that converting it to pdf. Now download it from over here. That's downloaded, and now its file is converted to pdf. You can check it out. So if you want to convert any word file into pdf, click over here, select that word file. I am selecting that word file, opening it, and click on convert, and voila, the file has been converted to pdf. Download it, and now you can find it over here. That's the way how you can easily convert any file for free into PDF. Like, share, subscribe.